With an antivirus, expecting better system security is a given. But what about data protection? ESET Home Security Premium claims that with its service, you'll have more than just a classic anti-malware experience. ESET promises privacy for you and advanced protection for your data in its premium plan. So this is exactly what I'm reviewing today. And if it does live up to its promise, you can get ESET Premium via the link in the description below with a special discount. Let's start with the obvious question. Is ESET Home Security good at what it does? At its core, this antivirus runs on the proprietary NOD32 Engine, which has been in business for decades at this point. Third-party audits document ESET's long track record well. AV tests and AV comparatives have reported strong malware detection results going as far back as 2011. With its multi-layered approach system, ThreatSense, ESET combines signature-based detection, heuristics, and machine learning for malware detection. To break that down for you, this means ESET doesn't just detect malware through databases. It can also predict malware behavior and fight against brand new zero-day threats. This works extremely well with the LiveGrid Cloud Intelligence technology. Whenever ESET detects new malware, it sends a notice to its cloud servers, updating malware databases with new signatures in real time. Threat actors wish they knew how to stop ESET antivirus from ruining their plans with a feature like this. But what about privacy? As I said in the beginning, ESET antivirus offers a lot of protection for your data and online privacy. Most of it comes from the built-in VPN with unlimited traffic, meaning no restrictions or slowdowns across servers in 40 to 70 countries, depending on the plan. This VPN is not just a throwaway feature like in most antiviruses. It properly offers a kill switch to prevent leaks during connection drops, split tunneling so you can choose which apps use the VPN connection, and even DNS leak protection. That's the full privacy package. Plus, the ESET Premium plan extends coverage to 10 devices, so I can share my account with friends or family with no problem. But that's just for browsing. ESET can also secure data, letting you apply encryption to files in a private virtual drive or removable drive. AES 256-bit encryption is an unbreakable industry standard, so that's solid protection for your most sensitive data. These features cover both the security of your data and your browsing, giving you the privacy that's so hard to attain in 2026. So if you're looking for reputable antivirus protection and privacy, ESET Home Security Premium is the way to go. Check the link in the description for the best ESET deal, and feel free to try it out. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee included with all plans. Of course, ESET offers more than just that. I haven't covered the advanced protection features yet, and some of them also improve user privacy substantially. For instance, anti-phishing protection helps you avoid fraud attempts that often expose user data, helping you stay safer online. The secure banking browser is similarly useful, offering an additional layer of protection designed to protect your financial data during online transactions. With real-time protection, ESET constantly keeps watch for malware, putting its anti-malware capabilities on display at all times. There's also ransomware protection that specifically searches for unsolicited file encryption, helping prevent data hostage situations. And if you have a laptop or mobile device, the anti-theft feature lets you track it through the provider's dashboard. So even if you lose it or it gets stolen, you can switch the device into missing mode, take snapshots from the webcam, and collect data about connected networks to help pin down the device's location. With all these features and such a long track record, many assume ESET is old and complicated to use, but that's far from reality. ESET has upgraded its UI over the years, and the latest dashboard is as clean and intuitive as you'd want. Installing the app is simple too, so you won't have to wonder how to use ESET antivirus. All the protection features I mentioned earlier are grouped together under separate tabs, making them easy to find. And if you ever have trouble figuring something out, ESET's website is full of straightforward user guides. These features are also fully accessible across Windows, macOS, and Android. iOS support is more limited, mostly because of Apple's restrictions, but with the premium and ultimate plans, there are still enough features to make it worth considering. ESET is also surprisingly lightweight, making it a great choice for older devices since it doesn't eat up much CPU power, even during deep system scans. Of course, ESET isn't perfect. Its entry plan doesn't include the full protection I described, as most of the strongest features come with the ESET Home Security Premium plan, so you'll need to invest a bit more for the full VPN experience. Also, while macOS and iOS are supported, ESET is still somewhat limited on those platforms because of Apple's ecosystem restrictions. Still, As far as antivirus protection goes, few can rival ESET's versatility and track record. So if you want to grab it yourself without overspending, check the link in the description for the best deal. This is also how to renew the ESET Home Security subscription if you already have one. With advanced protection against social engineering attacks, malware, brand new threats, and online risks, ESET is hard to underestimate. Furthermore, its premium plan is one of the best antivirus price to value options if you want a provider that can protect both your devices and your privacy. No need to settle for half measures when ESET can offer reliable security. If you enjoyed this ESET review, let me know with a like and subscribe to the channel for more cybersecurity reviews in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.